Can you see it? I can see it. Okay, hold on. What? There's my leg. Don't cross it. The feather? Do you see the feather? The white feather? Yeah, that's from a bird. It's from a bird. A white feather. Can you say feather? Yeah, stay with me. Look at this. What's this? Oh my gosh, it's a big rock. Whoa. Where's another rock? Do you see one? Look up. No, it's stuck. Here's one. Oh! I don't know if that's a rock. Where are you going? Ryan? Where? Right behind my head. I can't see. Can you see any more? You want to throw a stick? That's a cool stick. Look. Isn't it pretty?
No. Yeah.
Where'd it go?
He faked you out.
It's far. There's a little clap. We get a little clap for that one. One for that. Oh!
Yeah, wipe it off. Shake it off. Good job. That one's in the ground still. Careful.
You want to throw this stick?
Oh my goodness, that's a big one.
Can you pick it up? Oh my god. Here, come look. You made it in the water!
Yay!
Yay! That hit the stick that you threw down there.
Jaren, look at me. Say yay.